Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Back up your files because this process erases local data and makes sure battery is above 50%. Once done, power off the Chromebook completely. Next, boot into recovery using the device-specific key combo, usually ESC plus refresh plus power. Hold them until the recovery screen appears. This puts you at the starting point for developer mode. Make sure you note your model so you can follow any small keyboard differences, and keep the charger connected during the next steps. You now enable developer mode by pressing Ctrl+D at the recovery screen. This initiates the toggle. When the prompt appears, press Enter to confirm that you want to proceed. This triggers a power wash and partition changes. Be patient. The machine will reboot and display a warning screen repeatedly during setup. You can skip or accept prompts as instructed. The first boot after enabling developer mode can take 10 to 15 minutes while Chrome OS expands and reconfigures system partitions. Finish by pressing Ctrl+D on the warning screen to bypass OS verification each boot. This keeps developer mode active. Once signed in, open Crush with Ctrl+Alt+T, type shell, and then use sudo-su for elevated access to install packages or enable deeper features. If you want persistent root or modified firmware, proceed carefully with verified scripts. If something goes wrong, like boot loops or failed transitions, restore the official recovery image via USB or repeat the Ctrl+D sequence to re-enable developer mode cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.